Halloween is just around the corner, and here at Maker Store, we've created a one-of-a-kind electronics project, a CNC-cut sugar skull with animated uncanny eyes. In this video, we'll walk you through how it's made. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We started with HDPE cutting. The workpiece was secured onto the CNC table, leaving the bottom left hole open for end mill alignment. For the first stage, we used a 3.175mm end mill to rough cut the skull outline, eyes and nose. Next, a 0.3 times 6mm, 30 degrees V-bit was used to engrave the intricate sugar skull details. Finally, we switched to a 6mm 2-flute upcut carbide end mill for the deep contour cut. Once the front was complete, we flipped the HDPE sheet and machined the back, again using the 6mm end mill, to pocket out the areas for the ESP32 and TFT display mounts. If you'd like to make your own Uncanny Eyes sugar skull, check out the detailed tutorial in the video description below. All tools and materials used in this build are linked in our blog. Following the wiring diagram, we connected the ESP32 development board to two TFT displays using 22cm wires. Each wire was stripped, twisted together by colour, and inserted into the corresponding ESP32 pin header. A small amount of flux was applied, and the solder joints were made using a soldering iron. Any excess wire was trimmed for a clean finish. For the TFT displays, we used a solder sucker to clear the mounting holes, then soldered the wires coming from the ESP32 in the same manner. Make sure to secure all the wiring neatly. We used hot glue to fix both the ESP32 board and the displays to the back of the skull, but you can use your preferred method. To make the decoration stand upright, we drilled two mounting holes at the back and inserted an M5 cap head shoulder bolt and an M5 cap head bolt as support stands. And that's it. A unique, animated Halloween decoration brought to life with CNC precision and a touch of electronic wizardry. If you enjoyed this project, you'll find all the tools and materials linked below. Happy Halloween! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Maker Store projects.